In this clip, I'm going to show you how to install the 4-gallon rain basin slot mount. So for this, we're going to take the slot mount, we're going to take our bolts, and then we're going to take these square washers. These are going to slide into your Toyota Bedrail. So we're going to be installing to the back rail here. Take your carriage bolt with a square washer on it and slide them in. Take your slot mount, line up these 2 bolt holes over the carriage bolts, and then washer and nut and tighten them down. Got the mount bolted on, so you're just going to take your tank, slide it onto the mount, take your lock panel, you'll see there's a triangle that's going to line up. I'll put it over that and then pull it on, and it's kind of squeeze on there tight. You're just going to take your cylinder lock, slide it in, and you're good to go.